Hi guys, it's me again, Jeansy Veral, and welcome to my channel, channel, channel. So for today's video is I'll be making a chicken cordon bleu. Since naging popular siya sa Cebu. Thank you Marjorie and Maria Hopes for making the chicken cordon bleu popular again. So we have three main ingredients: the chicken, the cheese, and the spam or baked ham, since I don't have any hot dog here. So let's start the process. First is hiwain lang natin ang chicken into half. Breast part sa chicken yung ginamit ko kasi mas malaman siya. So I will wrap it with a cling wrap para it's easy for me to smash this one. Dikdikin nyo lang ganito. Here, wider. Tanggalin natin yung buto. Here guys, let's make it two, and I'll just set that aside. Maybe I'll make some okra and chicken, or broccoli and chicken. Okay. Ang process na to guys is meat tenderization. To make your meat tender, usually you can use this process if your meat is too thick and you want it to be cooked quick. Okay, that's enough. This is a very quick recipe lang guys. Ang problema lang is mahal yung ingredients kasi mag-ham ka or mag-hotdog ka, then dapat meron kang cheese din. Tapos bibili ka pa ng chicken breast. So ito, magastos ang chicken cordon bleu, kaya isa ito sa mga main dishes sa Pilipinas. So magbibit lang ako ng dalawang itlog guys, kasi we needed to wrap the chicken in egg, flour, and breadcrumbs to make it more crunchier. So ito guys, instead of breadcrumbs, I will use oatmeal para healthier siya. Pwede din yung dinikdik na bigas ang gagamitin nyo as your breadcrumbs. Pero Ito is different way of cooking chicken cordon bleu. Instead of breadcrumbs, I will use oatmeal. Smash ko lang siya. Let's not forget the flour. Flour is one of the ingredients too. Kinamay ko na lahat, oy. Kasi yung kamay naman ang gagamitin ko for cooking. For deepen this one. Dip ko lang. So, ito guys ha. Ham, cheese, and chicken. This is our main ingredients. And then we have egg, flour, and oatmeal. Or you can use breadcrumbs also. Lagyan ko lang siya ng salt and pepper. Then counting salt lang kasi cheese at ang ham is maalat. Tapos lalagyan ko ng Cajun spice para maanghang siya kaunti. Okay, now is let's put the cheese. First step ha, ito guys ha. First step is lagyan ng seasonings ang sa loob, and then lagyan ng cheese. Ko lang to dito. Tapos ikaw. Diyan. Tapos ikaw. Diyan. Ikaw. At ikaw. Roll lang natin guys. I'm hoping it will turn out good. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Tapos, to hold the meat together, lagyan lang natin ng toothpick, guys. So, if you have meat clip, yung aluminum or yung, yeah, is pwede din siya to hold your meat properly. But kasi wala ako, so I use this one. Ito. Dip natin sa flour. First is flour muna. Then after sa flour is dip natin sa itlog or sa egg. Tapos is sa oatmeal. Tapos ibabalik ko siya sa harina, guys. So ito. First natin. Next chicken tayo. Ito. Pepper ulit. Tapos a little bit salt. Tapos Cajun spice. Para mas maanghang. Pwede mo siyang i-massage guys ha. Pwede nyo i-massage na ganito yung meat. yung seasoning sa meat para evenly talaga siya. If you're not confident enough na mag-i-even yung lasa. Natin yung cheese ulit. Mabilis lang po guys. Swear. Ganito lang. Crunch nyo lang. Sa mga mahilig kumain dyan tapos hindi marunong magluto. Mabilis na ito. Kasi ito. Last cheese. Okay. And then add natin ang ating ham or spam. Tapos iklupin. Or roll natin na parang lumpia. Tapos toothpick to hold the meat. Muna. Tapos sa egg. After sa egg is a breadcrumbs. Not breadcrumbs, but oatmeal pala. Then after oatmeal is back to the flour. Okay. So here it is. Deep fry lang natin ito. Deep fry natin for 20 minutes each or until mag-golden brown siya. Saka yung chicken. Sa mga after 5 minutes guys is tapos na tayo dito. And let's set it aside, let it cool down, and then chop chop chop. Okay. So, ito guys, tapos na siya, luto na siya. And let us transfer this in a plate with paper towel to soak the oil. Napabasan yung cheese. Ito na guys, ang ating chicken cordon bleu using oatmeal instead of breadcrumbs. So I'll set it aside for several minutes to let it cool down, and then I'll start chopping it. So, ayun. So that's my simple and quickest way of making chicken cordon bleu. Since nag-viral ito sa Pilipinas, especially sa Cebu Island. So, yep. It's me, Jeansy Veral. Thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoy this video, please like, and subscribe. Thank you again. Heart, heart, heart. Bye-bye.